हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप ऑल आर हैविंग ए गुड टाइम। गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को लेके जाऊंगा बेंगलुरु का सबसे फेमस नॉर्थ ईस्ट रेस्टोरेंट जिसका नाम है माविन किचन। ये माविन किचन स्टार्ट हुआ था एट फर्स्ट 2009 में। पहले ये एमजी रोड में हुआ करता था, फिर उन लोगों ने ईजीपुरा में शिफ्ट किया। तो चलिए चलते हैं। So hello guys, welcome back my another vlog guys. So first Sat Sri Akal, Namaste, Adab and Pranam. So guys, now I am in the Naga restaurant. It's called Marvin restaurant, right? So now I going to inside and today I going to eat pork and I going to explore all food which is good. I just want to try the Naga food and along with. So अंदर जाते हैं, देखते हैं कैसा है होगा. So let's go. So this is it. Hi bro. Hi. तो गाइस, पहले मैं अंदर में जाके ओनर को हाय बोला एंड ही इज सो वेलकमिंग. लुक एट दिस receptions. Just I want to ask some questions. So bro, thank you to have here and so how long is open?
Basically like we started in 2019. So this was not the first place that we started. It was somewhere running MG Road. But in 2021 we opened here. So it's been like almost 5 years, 5-6 years almost.
So you have another side also, like
No, this is the only branch that we have right now.
it's aesthetic like weather here. So there is a post idea to open this restaurant.
So like we have two owners, like both of them are brothers. One is staying in US and one is here with his family. So the main idea, like in 2019 there was not most northeast restaurants here. So the main idea is to promote our cuisines, our dishes to Bangaloreans and all. So like that was the main idea that we started this restaurant, like to showcase our food and all. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So guys, I'm so happy to talk with restaurants owner. So look at this, look at this aesthetic the decorations about restaurants. I just go have here and let's see the food and enjoy. तो बेसिकली गाइस, ये जो माविन किचन रेस्टोरेंट ओपन करने का मेन मोटिव है कि बेंगलुरु में ज़्यादातर नॉर्थ ईस्ट रेस्टोरेंट्स नहीं है, ना कि बराबर ही है. देन द मेन आइडिया ये है कि वो उन लोगों की ट्राइब की खाना को बेंगलुरु जैसे बड़े शहर में प्रमोट कर सके. एंड गाइस, ये कलूरी मतलब का होता है थैंक यू. एंड हर देवल में आप लोगों को ये ब्यूटीफुल पेंटिंग और ब्यूटीफुल डेकोरेशंस, लाइटिंग वगैरह देखने को मिलेगा आप लोगों को. देखिए, ये हानी बी का कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं. I'll just tell. So guys, now our food order is came. So अभी हम लोग का ऑर्डर आ गई है. अभी देखेंगे क्या क्या है. So what is called this one?
This one is Sinju. So it's from like Manipuri like thing. So it's like a salad only with like cabbage and all, and some herbs and some veggies and all, with white peas and also like we put nari in there. So it's a mixture of everything.
Nari means that
fermented fish. Yeah, that's the one. So yeah.
This is, as I know, this is pork. So
Yeah.
what's the special for this?
So this is basically like most people have it in Nagaland. So it's a Naga dish. It's a smoked pork. So we dry it on fire, and this flavor is with anishi. It's special in our community. It's like yam leaves, like which is dried and smoked also.
You're in which community?
Our community. Yeah. There's a tribe called out in Nagaland, so it's an our dish. So this one is iromba.
This is romba.
Okay. So this one also, it's like a Manipuri dish also. It's like a chutney, like we have it with rice and all. It's like a potato smash. We also put fermented fish in it also. Yeah. And yeah. So this is smoked pork.
Oh, this is smoked pork.
with bamboo shoot.
Smoked pork with bamboo shoot.
So this is also a Naga dish that most people will have it in Nagaland and all. So yeah. And this is kang soy. Yeah. It's like a soup. Yeah. It's like a soup. You can have it with rice. You can have it with soup also.
This is, as you know, this is rice. So this is all
Boiled veggies. Yeah.
Okay,
Mixture
this
of
is boiled
cabbage, beans, and squash. And this one it's uti. Uti.
It's
Uh,
like a dal.
yeah, it's kind of like a dal. Yeah, it's made with white peas and all. And that's same thing, smoked pork bamboo shoot. And the rice also, it's like sticky rice. It's a Manipuri sticky rice.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you. Thank
Great.
you.
I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now I'm going to start. मैं पहले राइस से खाता हूँ. राइस ले लेता हूँ. जैसे this is called so sticky rice. I take this big rib. I'm going to start eating this. This is like a gudok. ये हम लोग का दिपरा में भी जैसे सेम ही है, लाइक गudok जैसे ये. इसको नाम मैं ऑलरेडी बोल के ये लेता हूँ. This is egg. Smoked pork with bamboo. This is actually all a pork. Look at this. It's awesome, guys. Let's try it. First मैं खाता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं रेड दूँगा कैसा है. Okay. So this is also some called soup. I'll eat later this one. This is, as you know, the boiled vegetable. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Let's take okay. As you know, I'm an Indian. I'm going to eat in pan. So let's eat. Wow, this is so good, guys. Look at this. This is very big ribs. This is ribs. मतलब this area. Okay, let's have a bite. Wow. Look at this fat. Look at this fat. I like so much this fat. Especially because I'm eating lots of spices. And look at this ribs. And look at this. Look at these fishes and look at the meat. ये अंदर में पूरा ऑयल जा चुका है. सो गाइस, मैंने ये पॉक ट्राई किया. ये बहुत अच्छा है यार. मैं लाइक 3-4 मंथ में पॉक नहीं खाया. आज 3-4 मंथ के बाद मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ पॉक खाने के लिए. एंड आई जस्ट गोइंग टू ट्राई दिस चिंजू. Try this चिंजू. How is it? Because चिंजू हमेशा स्पाइसी होता है. तो देखता हूँ चिंजू कैसा है. ये चिंजू है ना, आपको ज़्यादा खाने के लिए बहुत हेल्प करेगा. It's good, guys. Just rotate like this. Just mix everything properly. And देखता हूँ चिंजू कैसा है. I don't know what this is. इसके साथ bamboo. Guys, this is my second round to have चिंजू. चिंजू बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे क्योंकि बीच में रोक रोक के खाने में बहुत मजा आया. बहुत अच्छा ट्विस्ट एंड अच्छा वाइब आ रहा है ये खाने. लेट्स ट्राई. Guys, let's try this soup. Right, it's good.
So guys, all food are really amazing and it's so tasty and it's delicious. So I'm going to rate all food out of the 10. I'm going to give out of the 10 to 10. Done, guys. It's a good good restaurant. Along with I have nice experience. The staff is really welcoming, and there's a cool vibe. यहाँ का staff लोग बहुत अच्छा है. Thumbs up. You guys come here and enjoy the food. Done. How's the food? Good. वो कौन खा नींद आ गया खाते खाते. ये वाला जो है. Here we have some North people. I just want to ask how they like the come to here in Northeast restaurants. So hi bro. Hi. So how you know about this Northeast restaurant?
They know it through me. I know it through some other friends of mine. We come here pretty much all the time. My friends heard about this place from me. I heard about it from my friends. I don't know where they heard about it. That's just kind
So
of
do you like the Northeast food?
I
Like
was actually going to travel to northeast to Manipur and to Nagaland, Assam a little bit in the next couple of months. So when he said
सो
it,
गाइस मैं जब खाना खा रहा था उस टाइम पे मैं कुछ नॉर्थ साइड का लोगों को देखा यहाँ पे आके वो लोग नॉर्थ ईस्ट फूड में खाना खा रहे हैं तो मुझे लगा कि उन लोगों के साथ मैं बात करूं कि बात करके देखा कि उन लोगों को बहुत पसंद है नॉर्थ ईस्ट फूड.
India, and now I live in Canada.
first time I'm hearing, guys. Those from Rajasthan, they like pork. So nice to have you all and to come here. It's pleasure. Okay, enjoy your food, bro. Yeah. We just finished our lunch. So how you feel, bro?
Amazing. Like I had fried fish, which was really nice. Yeah, and I had like a drink.
Yeah, the pork was so delectable. It's really nice, very soft, melt in your mouth. And then of course, the fermented pineapple juice, something unique that we tried out. So enjoyed that. My friend liked it so much. Look at him.
He's sneaking in some packets of his own.
So we are taking home also.
I am. Yeah. I'm very good. Very satisfied.
See the staff are very welcoming. You can come here and enjoy the food. See the vibe. Okay. So thank you, bro. Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
So guys, these guys they're from Mumbai. They come here and eat this restaurant. And guys, make sure subscribe and hit the like button, guys. So guys, now literally I have to go now because I enjoy the very good food. Okay, let's go and enjoy. You have to come here and have the good food. Northeast food बहुत अच्छा है. आप लोग यहाँ पे खाइए. Okay. So now we're going again. Hope we'll come again here and eat really very delicious food.